If you're considering off-grid solar, there's only two questions you need to ask. Are you looking for great value, or you're looking for the lowest price? And is the company that you're looking at going to give you $100 a day if your system stops producing power? So if you're looking for cheapest price, then it's probably worth turning this video off and not watching any further.
Oh no.
But if you're after value, then we might have something to talk about. Click the link around here somewhere. We'd love to have a chat with you and see if we can provide a solution for what you need. Now, just to be clear, we may not be the right system and the right solution for you. We're not going to know that unless we have a conversation with you. So we are going to ask you for an email address and a phone number so we can get in touch and actually find out about what you need. From there, we can work out whether what you're looking for is going to line up with what we provide. If it is, we can take the conversation further. If not, we'd be happy to provide you with some options and solutions and ideas that may better suit what you're looking for. If that sounds interesting to you, you can go through, click through to the next page, get some more information about who we are and what we do, and from there, you can make a decision about whether you want to have a chat to us about your off-grid system. We'd love to help you.